Are you ready to ride the wave of cryptocurrencies and DeFi? With the advancement of decentralized finance, the financial system is turning upside down. Welcome to the financial revolution. If you haven't subscribed to stay up to date with the latest news. In this video, I'll show you how DeFi will end the cycle of traditional banks and transform credit cards into museum pieces. I'll guide you through the main pillars of the financial system of the future and why you need to understand it now. Imagine a system where your money works for you, without intermediaries like banks, where everything is transparent and you have full control over your funds. Sounds good, right? So come with me and I'll show you how DeFi is completely changing the game in the world of finance. They're fooling you. Governments, banks, and financial institutions, they all manipulate your decisions and control your money. But that's over. DeFi, Decentralized Finance, is about to destroy traditional banks and turn credit cards into trash. A system where you don't depend on anyone, where you are the sole owner of your money, and you can be sure that they are terrified of this. Do you want to continue being manipulated, or will you take control of your financial future? Get ready, because the world as you know it is about to change. And those who don't keep up will be left behind. Do you think that banks and governments are on your side? Think again. Every time you pay fees, taxes, sign contracts full of hidden clauses, or wait days for a simple transfer, you are feeding a system that only exists to exploit you. But with DeFi, this illusion ends. No intermediaries, no bureaucracy, no absurd fees. Here the game changes. You have total control, and every move is transparent. If you still believe that banks will protect you, you are living a lie. They profit from your dependence. In the DeFi world, you make your money work for you, not for them. It's time to wake up and take control before it's too late. They've already smelled the revolution. The question is, will you stay in the past or will you be part of the change? DeFi, or Decentralized Finance, is a financial ecosystem that operates using blockchain technology, removing the need for intermediaries, such as banks, brokerages, and other traditional financial institutions. Instead of relying on these centralized entities to manage or oversee transactions, DeFi allows anyone to interact directly with financial services through smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Key features of DeFi. First, decentralization. There is no central control from financial institutions. Everything is run through distributed networks, blockchain, and governed by pre-programmed rules and smart contracts. Second, autonomy. Users have full control over their funds and assets. They can lend, borrow, trade, and invest without relying on intermediaries. Third, transparency. All transactions are publicly recorded on the blockchain, making them accessible and auditable by anyone. Fourth, accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can access DeFi, eliminating geographical and bureaucratic barriers. Fifth, security. Security is guaranteed by blockchain technology, which maintains an immutable record of all transactions. DeFi is transforming the financial system by allowing individuals to carry out complex operations, such as loans, asset exchanges, and investments, without the need for intermediaries, with less bureaucracy and in a much faster and cheaper way. Examples of DeFi applications. P2P lending and borrowing. Users can lend their assets and earn interest or borrow using crypto assets as collateral, without the need for banks. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, platforms that allow the exchange of cryptocurrencies directly between users, without a central entity controlling the operations. Stablecoins, digital currencies pegged to real assets, such as the dollar or euro, to avoid the volatility of traditional cryptocurrencies. In short, DeFi is revolutionizing the world of finance by offering a fairer and more accessible alternative to the traditional financial system.